Manifesto for success. Watch this if you need a little boost in your life. Embrace your uniqueness. You are unique and special in your own way. Embrace your quirks and idiosyncrasies and don't try to be someone you're not. It's what makes you stand out and succeed. Follow your passions. Chase your dreams and follow your passions. Pursue what makes you happy and fulfilled, and success will follow. Surround yourself with positive people. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Don't waste your time on negative energy or people who bring you down. Take risks. Life is short. Take risks and try new things. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and take a chance. Learn from your mistakes. Failure is not the end. It's an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace your mistakes and use them as a stepping stone to success. Celebrate small wins. Celebrate every success, no matter how small. Every win is a step closer to achieving your goals. Work hard, play hard. Success requires hard work, but it's important to balance it out with fun and play. Enjoy life and don't forget to have fun along the way. Stay true to your values. Don't compromise your values for success. Stay true to yourself and what you believe in, and success will come on your own terms. Keep moving forward. Life is full of ups and downs, but it's important to keep moving forward. Don't let setbacks hold you back. Keep pushing forward and success will come. Appreciate your friends. Life is better with good friends by your side. Appreciate the people who support and love you, and cherish the moments you spend together. In short, the Friends Manifesto for Success encourages us to be true to ourselves, follow our passions, and surround ourselves with positive people. By taking risks, learning from our mistakes, and staying true to our values, we can achieve success and enjoy the journey along the way. And, most importantly, it reminds us to appreciate the people who support and love us, because life is better when we have good friends by our side.